Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Eyelashes and I bring to you easy breezy makeup tutorials. And today I got inspired by this purple flower and created this phenomenal cut and crease. I usually don't dabble with cut and crease, but well, it turned out fantastic and I added a little shimmer, which is my take on it. If you're new here, please do like and subscribe if you love what you see, and also hit the bell icon for future videos. So without much delay, why don't we go ahead and begin creating magic? I have fallen in love with this soft ochre paint pot by MAC. It is such a sheer matte finish, concealer coverage that it gives me. And I love spreading it with this pan eyeshadow brush all over my eyelid, even under my brows, and keep blending it till it gives me a very seamless finish. Make sure to dab on your eyelid and not rub. Dabbing creates a better motion. Now let me take this Charlotte Tilbury setting powder and set this cream base. This is a Morphe eyeshadow palette in 39S, such a gem. And we're going to take this beautiful purple shade in this eyeshadow brush. I'm sorry, my eyeshadow brush is pretty worn out. We will take this purple brush and start creating this line. Oh, I remembered, I have this eyeshadow fallout pads and they are amazing. Oh, also they help me create the shape very well. So well, I remembered, and why not use it? Do you see how amazing it just gives me that lift? So guys, this is the easiest way to have that flawless wing eyeliner and even create the shape under the eye so it does not look too smudged out. You know, sometimes when we do the under eye and it's very smudged out, it looks very messy. So this keeps it in control, and also the fallouts fall on the pads and you can just remove them and throw them when your work is done. Very slowly you need to build these colors. With eye makeup, this pencil brush is one of the best that you can have. This sits so well in that crease when we have to create a particular shape under the eyebrow bone. And this is what I'm trying to create right now. We are just trying to lift that up and join it where the eyebrow ends. This is a very rough placement right now because we will be blending and creating a cut crease with eyeshadow later. Let's take a clean blending brush and blend out all the edges that you see there. This is just softening of the color. When we say blend, we are trying to soften the color or any hard line that we can see there. I'm going to go ahead and build that color and lift it up so the lower line matches the upper eyeshadow line and they form a beautiful formation. I'm going to build it slowly and steadily, add more color. Now I'm going to take the same palette by Morphe and use this earthy brown color to blend out that purple shadow. This is the clean blending brush that I will blend out the colors again. And I'm also going to use the same brown on my my eyeliner to smudge it and blend it into each other. You see how the beautiful shape is being formed before I place the color in the center. Guys, take your time blending. Blend it all out. It should look beautiful and seamless. I'm taking this Inglot shade and placing it with a very small brush that fits right in my cut crease space that we had left for the eyeshadow. Slowly and steadily you can build the color up. Because I have loose eyelids, I'm going to lift it up a little and fill in all the crease that is there. Once we fill the purple in the center of the eye, I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash line with the deep purple that we used as a first shade. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend with the brown until I reach my desired shading. This is a very fine brush. And we're going to take this setting spray by MAC and spray the brush for a little intensity to the eyeshadow. The same purple eyeshadow that we had taken as the first shade. And we're going to create that very delicate line to separate it from the lavender shimmer that we have on the eyelid. Remember guys, I had said we were doing a very rough line and we will do a clear line later on. This is what I meant. When you do cut and crease and you place the eyeshadow there, it covers up any fallout that you've had. And just like that, we have a fantastic defined line to that cut crease. This is a very beautiful glitter liner from Urban Decay. And I'm going to use this in the inner corner of the eye, just to add a little sparkle. I'm not going to take it all over the eyelid. It's just in the inner corner and slightly towards the eyelid. The all-time favorite, the Inglot Gel Cream Liner in number 77. And I'm going to go fill my waterline. And then very close to the lash line, I'm going to start filling this up. But I'm not creating a winged eyeliner. We already have a wing in place. I am just highlighting the rim of my eyes with this black gel liner and accentuating them. Once we've placed the gel liner, we're going to smudge it with the purple eyeshadow and blend it all into each other. The black just gives a little more definition, but we have to cover it with the purple eyeshadow. Well, I am inspired by the purple flower, so why not? This cut crease makeup is so beautiful. And there we have. We are going to finish it with these amazing eyelashes. I'm going to use this glitter liner again in the lower lash line, in the inner corner, just right there. Finishing the look is my lovely mascara. This is a beautiful intense black mascara by L'Oreal. Do you see that shading, guys? I'm loving this inspiration of the flower. I think I'm going to do more inspirational videos. Very carefully apply the mascara so that you don't spread it anywhere. I'm going to take this smaller bristle mascara for my lower lash line. I always do that. It's just a safe way of not messing up your under eye. There we have, guys, the beautiful flower inspired cut and crease. I'm so in love with this color. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you like this cut and crease makeup. Please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. And I'm going to see you next Sunday with another amazing tutorial which will be easy and breezy like this one. So until next Sunday, I will see you again. Take care. Bye.